Alright, little overview of the work light from STEDI. STEDI there. Righto, no product placements. I can't do this without a beer. Oh, that's better. That's a good sound. Right, so on eBay, they're selling these little work light wiring harnesses that don't attach to your high beam. So, probably wouldn't be legal if you tried to turn these on and have big driving lights and not be wired up properly because they've got to be part of the high beam light. Anyway, these are great for just any other lights that are around. Ooh, nice. Serious. It's a serious instruction manual. Nice. What are you getting here? Okay. Now, I think this was 20 bucks. Now, I couldn't build this or make it for 20 bucks. Is that 60 amps? Jeez. Okay. I can't buy or build this. Or, yeah, I mean, even the cheap eBay Deutsch plugs for like $3 or $4 each. And then the relay that's 60 amp. Yeah, there's no way I could, yeah, hang on. There's just no way. Alright. You're on beer cam. Oh. Righto. I do have a stand for the thing, but impromptu recording. Oh, pretty. Wow. Yeah, that feels super duper quality. Even the switch is nice. Now, the thin wires to the switch, which is great because you don't need massive ones. That's the whole point of a relay. It's only a 4-pin relay, but is that fully sealed? Yeah, that's a fully sealed relay, so it's not going to get wet and short out or blow up or anything. It's very, very nice. Probably get a copyright strike for that. Bloody YouTube. Alright. How big is this? Okay. Decent. How's the negative? Ah, okay. Wow, nice. So that's your switch. And then you can just disconnect that. Beautiful waterproof little three-pronged plug. Put that back together again. That's great because if you just want to be able to put this in and then thread it through your little hole that you've made, then wire it back up on the inside. Nice. Wow. Yeah, 20 bucks. You can't. This is high quality. Look, Kings, I'm sure they make some really good stuff, but wiring harness, yeah, look pretty cheap for 25 bucks when you can get this for, I think I paid pretty much the same. Or did I pay 22? I think it was less than 25. This is a serious wiring harness. So, yeah, 30 amp fuse. Nice. Wire that up, positive and negative straight away, like right there, all nicely ready to go. So positive and negative comes out of this part, so that when you go to connect this, the negative's not to buggery away, and you can just, done. That's on. Relay's right there. You get one Deutsch connector on the end of it, so unless you've got female to double male Deutsch connectors, which you can also pick up from these guys, then it's just as simple as buying this, buying that, plug in 2 bolts, maybe 3 if you want to put the relay somewhere nice, and thread your wiring through for your switch, hook it up, you got one of those little rocker switches in, you want to replace it, you just pop these up. Try and remember where the negative is, the yellow is, and the red is. So when you do turn it from ion off, ion off. That's off, and ion is on. Really? Okay. Nice little waterproof thing. Yeah, so, I mean, even the stuff that they wrap this in is like beautiful heat shrink sort of. It's all, you feel this and you know straight away that it's more than $30. You're paying for a lot more than $30, but yeah, get on eBay and grab yourself a work wiring harness. Gorgeous. Saves me stuffing around trying to get all the cables and wire them all, and like I know what I'm doing, I just can't be bothered. So for $20 it saves you having to buy every little thing like the switch and the Deutsch connectors and putting them in and crimping them and shoving them in, and then getting just trying to buy the harness that this goes into singularly, and then shoving it all in there and wiring it all up. Oh, you're looking at so much time, which is time you could have just bought one of these, done a review on YouTube, and then go and shove it in your car. So ta-da, I'll be back.